All right, so I'm gonna walk you guys through how to do the key coding for 2004 Discovery 2. All right, so Nanocom on, we're gonna navigate to the key deal here. Okay. Pretty simple, but none of the videos I saw really gave a good like walkthrough of what to do. So go to the key programming thing. Now I've already programmed these two keys. I'm going to walk you through it and I'll show you that they work. These are just eBay keys that I got, but basically here's what you're going to come to. I programmed 3 and 4. 1 and 2 are the keys that are dead and destroyed. If you can see that, but what you're going to do basically is you're going to go in and just do this. You're just going to basically edit out, and then you're going to type in your new code. I don't care if you guys see this because you'll have to steal the keys from me to use my car, and good luck with that because I'll kill you. Just kidding. I'll kill you with kindness. The code is the 6 digits immediately following the leading letter. So in this case, it's 805OD5. Don't think too much more than that. That's it. All right. There's a following code that's 1 digit off on the last character. So you'll see 805D05 and then 805OD5. That's the code. The following one is to be used when you're checking. So it's 805OD4. So it's the code -1 on the last character, but you don't need to know that. All you need to know, it's 805OD5. All right, so let's type that in. 8. Oh, shit, sorry. Oh my God. All right, hit OK. Now, I think what you do is you hit set. See if I remember this right. Set, okay. Go over here and you type in sync on key 2, push one of the buttons. So I'll just do that. Boom. It's gonna do its thing, tell you it's thinking. Completed. I do this. I don't know that you need to do it, but I do it just to make sure. Boom, detected. Okay, cool. So then you go back and I think you do update. I think this is right. And then that's it. So then you have to exit out all the way, turn this thing off. So you just exit, blah, blah, blah. Exit, turn it off. Dashboard clicks, it's off. Turn the key off. All right, that's that key. So this is the one I just programmed, right? Let's see if it works. It works. So there you go. That's it. Pretty easy. Make sure you get the ones with the barcode and the long old digits like this. I ordered some 04 flip keys. I don't think they work. There'll be a code on them, but I don't think it's the right deal. This is like a very specific type of key. When I showed it to a locksmith, they were like, "Oh, you have one of those. We don't service those." So thank God for the Nanocom. It saved the day. All right, hit me up with any questions. Talk to you guys later. Have a good Labor Day weekend and don't die in the heat. See ya.